and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's time for an impulse purchase unboxing. Now I did do sort of an unboxing / initial impressions from Diamond Art Studio, which is a new UK company that does some exclusive diamond paintings. Now, I haven't had chance to work on either the sort of sample one that I got or the other one yet. However, I've already heard good things about them, so in regards to quality, I'm quite happy with that. But a design came out that was really, really cute. So, Diamond Art Studio did comment on my last unboxing, and they did say that there was just, a few points to let us know following my last unboxing. So it's only the samples that come with the drills bagged, similar to Diamond Art Club, like in the heat seal packets. All their other kits come with resealable baggies, and that they are going to be having all new batches are in their custom boxes instead of a generic one. So I'm expecting this to be their new box. They'll have a left-hand legend printed at the bottom, and they're also redesigned with their own custom symbols, and that's so that you don't end up with similar symbols like a 5 and an S or a B and an 8. And then they said at the time, we have some licensed images coming very soon with lots more to follow. This is one of the licensed images that I had to have. They did only start trading in January, so they are quite new. They are tweaking stuff, which is wonderful. All companies tweak stuff when they first start, and I completely get it. So when it first comes to me, it does come in a clear bag. It comes via UPS. Now, I decided to order this on my birthday last Tuesday. And it was posted super quick. Delivery was due on Wednesday, but my UPS driver decided that he didn't fancy delivering it. He fancied marking down that there was a problem with the address. And then when I phoned them up, they're like, there's no problem with the address. It's due for delivery the day after. So nothing on Diamond Art Studio at all. However, UPS was a naughty boy, which is what prevented me from unboxing this last Wednesday. But I can unbox it now. So it has, as always, got gorgeous packaging. It's wrapped with their ribbon and a thank you for shopping, and then it is all wrapped up. She needs to come and do my Christmas presents, I think. Gorgeously in brown paper with brown tape, which, to be honest, looks amazing. And I'm not helping because I'm ripping it all. But it looks really, really nice. Oh, they have got their new boxes. So this one is in one of the new boxes. So we've got Diamond Art Studio. They do also now ship international as well. It's something they wanted to get set up and get set up right, but they do ship international. So, we've got colour spelt with a U, because it is a UK company, and we do use a U. But it has their website details. Unroll the canvas and lay on a flat surface. Peel back part of the plastic film. Pour out your first drill colour into the tray. Dip your pen into the wax and then gently press the tip against the faceted side of the drill to pick it up. Gently press the drill against the corresponding symbol on the canvas. Pull pen away from the drill. Repeat the process until the entire canvas is complete. So it is high quality painting canvas, poured glue and resin drills, and a premium toolkit. So, I'm not even sure if you can see that. Look, sneaky peek. That's what I got. That's what I got. So, let's get this out so that you can see it all. So they have had a few sneak peeks on Instagram recently of some of the licensed art that they are about to have. And do you know, sometimes you have to do a diamond painting just because it's pure cute. Not because you have a place where it's going to go, not just because you like it, because you love the image, because you think it's amazing. That's what this is. So they have this one in, it's a 60 by 80. They will be having it in round as well as square. However, at the moment, they only have it in square. As far as I know, the barge that got stuck in the canal in Venice did have some of their items on it. So it's been going the long way round. I'm sure they have plenty of headaches over it. But I like square anyway. So, this is so big, but look at him. Look at him. Okay, let me move the drills out of the way. I did say that I did not need a toolkit in this one. It does give you the option. So you can choose to have the toolkit, not have the toolkit, or just have the wax. I chose not to have any because I do have plenty. And in my last unboxing, I do show you what the drill kits are like. So there was no point in me having one in this one. So I haven't got one sent. This has 15 colours. There is a lot of white. I can already see absolutely loads, but isn't he so adorable? It has got the codes across the bottom as well as across the top, and it does have the branding at the top. It is this nice canvas with poured glue and a clear cover. But, oh, look at his little feet. Look at his little feet. He looks so happy. He looks so happy, which is why I had to get him. There is a couple of licensed images that are up there now. There are more coming. But yeah, so this one is Splatterworks by Catherine Williams and licensed by Diamond Art Studio. So it does have all the details on the canvas at the bottom to tell you whose artwork it is. So Splatterworks, but oh, isn't he awesome? Okay, these are the diamonds. As you can see, there is a lot of white, which I expect. But considering there is a lot of white in the background, apart from, and this is the design, maybe this section down here, potentially, though there is a different colour there, and these two bits in the top corner, there is splatterings, hence Splatterworks, of other colours in with it. So you can do some, you know, blocks of colour, but then you do get to fill in some of the other colours as well. But look at those colours. That is gorgeous. So they're the additional colours. There is a couple of bags of those, and of course a lot of bags of 3865. But oh, and these look to be done by weight. So let's see if we can. Oh yeah, they're done by weight. So there is a weight on the bag. So that looks quite a nice size bag, to be fair. And then we have got 741, 742, a couple of bags of 743. So that will be nice for shading, in the fact that it's got colours that are close together. Then we've got a lot of 945, 3771, which one's this one? 3854, a lot of another colour as well. But yeah, I like the fact that we have a UK company now that is starting to do licensed images. It's nice that they're, you know, US still have the option to buy from here. We still have the option to buy from the US. But if you are a UK diamond painter and want a nice quality diamond painting and want it to arrive quick, then this is for you. I think if you order before, I think it's before 2, though maybe it's before 12, They ship it out the same day. So provided you have a UPS driver that behaves himself, you could have it the next day. If not, it's the day after. They do have a free shipping option for the US, but it's when you spend over a certain amount, because of course shipping is a lot more to the US. But I have heard that there's people been getting theirs within a week when they shipped to the US. So yeah, I wanted to show you this one. I got excited, but look at him. He needs a name though. He does need a name. I don't have a name that springs straight to my mind. If I had to pick one now, I'm thinking Charlie, maybe. No offence to anybody whose name is Charlie, but I don't know. Think if you can think of a name for my duck, for when I do get round to doing him, do let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I just thought he was really, really sweet, and I'm actually really excited to do this one. And part of me thinks I should just push it in front of doing any other. My next video is a kitting up of a painting that I need to get ready to do, and part of me really, really wants to do this one. But this is classed as a large painting, not a small painting, so maybe I'll have to wait. Maybe I'll see what painting the app picks for me, and if I don't like it, I'll do the duck instead. But I might have to kit this one up rather soon, because as much as I like the other one, the daisy, this one is this is a diamond painting that sort of got me a little bit excited. And I know it's got quite a few blocks of colour, but I'm actually fine with that. I do like sometimes to just do those blocks of colour and switch off a little bit. I just don't know if I'm up for another big diamond painting project mixed in with all my others, or whether I should behave. Let me know in the comments below. Maybe that's what I'll do. Let me know in the comments below. Should I get him kitted up and work him in with all the other paintings that I've got on the go, or should I be patient and wait? Let me know your thoughts. I'll go by your thoughts. If you guys decide that I need to do him, then he will get kitted up as a video next week for me to do. If you guys think that I should be patient and wait until it is time to do a large painting, then I'll follow that as well. But I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I really have. I've been so excited to open this. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.